If you guys know what this is, it's a 2017 and up BRZ bumper, LED lights. So these were, I believe, only available in Japan and either Japan, just Europe, or in Europe. I know not the US market, but I feel like it was only available in Japan. So I ordered these. Oh, and they're not the real ones, unfortunately. It's not the OEM ones, because I'm not gonna pay like $400 or $500 for something that's like maybe as big as my hand. That's pretty much a ripoff. So I got the cheaper version, which is 150 bucks. I really don't know any like electrical skills at all. I have no electrical skills. Like everything I know and everything I've done on my car is YouTube. I have nothing, no background as being an electrician. I have nothing. I just found out about like I mean, I kind of knew what, you know, it's a power wire and a ground wire, but I really didn't know too much. Like I just found out how to splice stuff, how to solder stuff. I just found out how to what a piggyback fuse is. I just found all that out this year. You know, it was my first time soldering this year, and it was for my car. So all this stuff I found out on YouTube. So this is another project. Alright, so we're gonna take off the bumper. I already showed you guys in a different video how to do that. So let me just take it off real quick. So let me just show you guys. So we're gonna take this plastic bracket off, and we're gonna do it from the inside right here, which is this part right there. I believe it's just gonna be clips that you just push out. Okay. And then this is how it looks like. Pretty simple, just pop right off. I really like how these look, like the little fangs. Some people don't like them. I like them. I upgrade to like the BRZ bumper. Definitely recommend it because the mustache part, you can actually just, it's pop, like you can pop it off. It's not like the older generation where you have to use a Dremel and like cut everything off. This, you can actually just pop it right off if you don't want it. If you're gonna run an intercooler, or take this part off and put like a dash bar. Okay, so I recorded taking it off. So right now I'm just mock fitting it. Just to make sure that everything's gonna fit good, and just be careful with this bolt right here, where this bolt, just so it won't like scratch your paint when you're putting it, you know, like putting it on, test fitting it. All right, let me just get a good angle. Just because one thing I'm struggling with, I don't know if other YouTubers are, but putting the camera in a position where you can actually still record but work at the same time. Oh, there we go. Nice. I actually hooked on correctly. Ooh, I'm so excited for that. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, so just to tell you guys, this piece comes off like that, okay? It comes off, but it leaves like an extra plastic piece right there in the back that's connected to this whole piece. So I thought I would have to like drill this part out, but no, it actually stays right there. It's like a background piece, maybe for like extra support. But it looks really good. Once I connect everything, I'll peel the most satisfying part. You know, like when you get a new iPhone or like just anything new, you peel that little Feels so good. Alright, it came off. Let's clean this up. Just remember, be careful with the little screw. And just fish the wire through first. I'm gonna line it up. There we go. So both sides are looking pretty good. Now to talk about the wiring, because I know that's a fun part that you guys are gonna want to know. Alright guys, okay guys, so after that brief sponsorship by Nutter Butters, I disconnected one of them. So I know it doesn't really matter where. At least that's your people, okay? I know it doesn't really matter what side it connects to, but just to keep it how I got it. Excuse me. Just to keep it how I got it, I'm gonna put tape, and then I'm gonna write what side it was on. Sharpie. And then I'm gonna put what is it? Right side. So R for right, L for left. To get things started, let's just open up this first, because this is what we're gonna need. There we go. And then this one you connect to a ground. So this we'll use in a bit. We just pay attention to these two right here. It has a 5 amp fuse. I don't know what I know fuses are just so we could, like, if something ever happens electrical, it blows out instead of like burning your car down. But I don't know much about fuses. So yeah, everything I'm teaching you guys, entertainment purposes only, don't actually do it unless you know what you're doing. Get professional. But yeah, it came with it. And then this one. So this is the one we're gonna have to like take off. We're gonna like cut it off, and then we're gonna connect it with one of these blue ones. Alright, and then this one we need to attach one of these things because it's gonna be the ground, and we're just gonna connect it somewhere around the engine. I gotta figure that one out. But yeah, let's start off with me showing you guys what fuse we're gonna use. Okay, so this is a fuse box right here next to your engine bay. Oh, that was too violent. Okay. That's a fuse box. Alright, so right here is the fuse box diagram. And then let me just show you guys. Their diagram's a little bit more specific, and then it has a little arrow, which is this one right here. If you look at it, Like right here's the headlight. Check out those headlights, by the way, clean. It's gonna be a link at the end of the video to watch the tutorial for this one. But right here is a fuse box. Right here's a little thing to grab it. And then right here's the 15. And you pull it. I bought this so we could check what's the leading and what's the ground. I'm just gonna connect this to the headlight right here. When I touch this one, but it doesn't turn on right here. So this one, I don't know what that one's for, but it basically means that it's always running. And then this one over here, it's off. So let me disconnect this, and then let me go turn on the car and test it again. Well, let's test it. And you see it's turning on. So you see how it turns on from the right side and not the left side. By the way, guys, I forgot, but I'm putting the little bolts right now for the pieces right here. I'm not gonna record that. It's pretty simple. Alright, so I hardwired this one. I think that's the wording. I don't like it. I hate that it's like that and it's exposed. Please, anybody that knows about car electronic shit, comment below. Let me know there's a better way, because the one I got because I bought these but they don't connect. They're too big for the mini fuses. So let me know if there's like a better way to connect them. But I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's right now and double check and see if they have anything like that. But that's the ground, power. Oh fuck, I'm spilling shit. Both of them turned on, but they turned on, it turns on based off the ignition and not the actual just like automatic thing. But for now we're gonna run it like that, and then we're gonna go to O'Reilly's right now. So you guys know how to put back a bumper. There's hella background noise, so I'm just gonna slap it on there and update you guys once I'm heading over there. I gotta clean all this shit up right now. You can kind of tell, but it's all different color LEDs, unfortunately. This is more like yellowish, this one's more like bluish, and this one's more like whitish. So there's like 3 different type of LEDs. But honestly, it looks pretty dope to me. I don't really mind it. And the most satisfying thing is peeling yes. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. That's the thumbnail right there. That is the thumbnail right there. These things just look so good. So we made it in one piece. Everything looks good. Everything looks like it's buttoned up correctly. And these didn't fall off. So I had one thing that actually, this one, since it's from eBay, the little thing came off, the little like attachment. So I had to use zip ties. So pretty much how I wired it was I attached it to right here. It's gonna be a temporary solution. And then the other one, I just grounded it to right there. I was gonna ground it down there, but I felt like it would just be a little more simple if I just grounded it right there. And then right there's a 5 fuse, whatever it's called. This one's 15. And then it's connected to down there. And then I ran it, and then it's gonna be on top of the little white foam thing. is right behind it, and I ran it to right there. And that's pretty much how it looks. Looks pretty dope though. But like I said, that one's more yellowish. These are gonna be more white, and this one's gonna be more of a blue. But that's how it basically is gonna look like. It looks pretty dope though.